Assalamualaikum and good day to everybody. Today we are going to proceed with our topic in pattern and sequences. Learning standard that we are going to achieve today is 1.3. Identify and describe the pattern of a sequence and hence complete and extend the sequence. 1.3 Pattern and sequences. 1.3.1 Pattern of a sequence using numbers, words, and algebraic expression. Example 9. Describe the pattern for the sequence 1, 9, 17, 25, 33, and so on by using numbers, words, and algebraic expression. So here, we need to describe this pattern using numbers, words, and algebraic expression. First, we need to list the number 1, 9, 17, 25, and 33. Okay, the number is increasing. Okay, we can see that the number is increasing. So, the arithmetic operation involved must be addition or multiplication. Okay, let's try addition. Number 1 plus what number equal to 9? Yes, 1 plus 8 equal 9. Number 9 plus what number equal 17? Right, 9 plus 8 equals 17. Next, number 17 plus what number equal 25? Awesome, 17 plus 8 equal 25. Lastly, 25 plus 8 equals 33. So, the pattern is add 8. How to write the answer? You just write add 8. Next is how to describe the pattern in words. Okay, we should write, therefore, the pattern for the above sequence is add 8 to the previous number. In a word, we just write add 8 to the previous number. That is the answer for describing in words. Next, we need to describe the pattern in algebraic expression. As for the algebraic expression, 1 equal 1 plus 8 times 0. 0 here is the nth term. Okay, then we write 9 equal 1 plus 8 times 1. the zero term, the first term, the second term. Okay, next, 17 equals 1 plus 8 times 2. 25 equal 1 plus 8 times 3. And 33 equal 1 plus 8 times 4. Therefore, the pattern for the number sequence can be expressed as 1 plus 8n, where n equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. This is how you describe pattern in algebraic expression. One point 3.2 Terms of a sequence. The n term in a number sequence and is written as Tn, whereby T is the term and n is the position of the term. Tn equal n term. For example, 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. From the sequence above, T1 equal 4, T2 equal 8, T3 equal 12, T4 equal 16. Example 10. State the fifth term for the following number sequence: 2, 10, 18, and so on. Okay. In this example, we need to find the fifth term from the following number sequence here. Okay, the solution, step 1, we need to determine the pattern for the number sequence. Okay, 2, 10. Okay, the pattern is 2 plus 8 equal 10. 10 plus 8 equal 18. So, the number pattern is add 8 to the previous number. This is the first term. 2 is the first term, T1. 10 is the T2. 18 is the T3. So, we need to find what comes next after 18. 18 plus 8 equal 26. Okay, so this is the T4. Okay, this is the T4. We need to find the fifth term. So, we proceed. 28 plus 26 plus 8 equal 34. So, 34 is the fifth term, T5. That is how we find the fifth term. Let's look at example 11. Given the number sequence 65, 60, 55, and 50. comma, and so on. Determine which term in the number sequence is 40. So we need to find which term for the number 40. Okay, if we look at this number, there is no 40 here. It only have 65, 60, 55, and 50. So we need to proceed this number sequence until we meet or until we find 40. Okay, first step 1, we need to determine the pattern. 65 becomes 60 here. The number is decreasing number. So the arithmetic operational may be subtraction or division. But 65 becomes 60. We already knew 65 minus 5 equals 60. Okay, 60 minus 5 equals 55. Okay, so the pattern is subtract 5 from the previous number. We just need to complete the list number. 50 minus 5 equal 45. 45 minus 5 equal 40. Okay, so we meet with 40 here. Okay, kita dah jumpa 40 di sini. Dalam soalan tadi nak 40. So, 65 is the first term. 65 is the T1. 60 is T2. 55 is T3. 50 is T4. 45 is T5. And 40 is T6. Term 6. Okay, so hence 40 is the 6th term. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, next we proceed with the extra example. Determine the 6th term of the following number sequence. Given a number sequence 23, 30, 37, and 44. Okay, we need to determine the pattern for this number. Okay, the pattern for this number is 23 plus 7 equal 30. 30 plus 7 equal 37. 37 plus 7 equal 44. Okay, so the pattern is add 7 to the previous number. Okay, in order for us to find the 6th term, okay, we need to know. You should already understand that this first number is the first term. This is the second term. This is the third term. And this is the fourth term. So, the 5th term is 44 plus 7. The answer is 51. This is the 5th term. And we need to find the 6th term. 51, we proceed with the pattern. 51 plus 7 is 58. So the pattern that we have to find is, the answer is 58, the 6th term. So the answer is T6 equal 58. Okay, 1.3.3. Solving problem. Okay, The table shows the schedule of 4 trains from Perak to Johor. Okay, ada jadual menunjukkan jadual perjalanan kereta api. Okay, first calculate the time interval between the two trains. Okay, hitung sela masa bertolak antara dua buah kereta api. Okay, macam mana kita nak hitung sela masa bertolak dia? Okay, kita lihat daripada second kereta api punya. PQ. Q is start moving at 9:15 am. 9:15 am. So, to calculate the time interval, we just minus 9:15 am, okay, minus 8:45 am. Okay, the interval is 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. Second question, at what time will train S depart? At what time will train S depart? Pukul berapa kereta api S akan bertolak? So, untuk tahu kereta api S akan bertolak, kita kena tahu R. What is the time for train R move? Okay, pukul berapa dia bergerak? Okay, because we already know the time interval is 30 minutes. So, from 9:15, we have to add 30 minutes. Okay. So, the train R will depart at 9:45 am. After we know the departure of train R, we can calculate the departure for train S. 9:45 plus 30 minutes. Okay, equal 10:15 am. So, this is the time that train S will depart. 10:15 am. Okay, the third question, what time will train S reach Johor if the journey takes 6 hours? Okay, train S depart at 10:15 am. Okay, so the journey takes 6 hours. You just add 6 hours to 10:15 am. So the answer will be 4:15 p.m. Okay, that's all for solving problem question. Okay, after you already study for this subtopic 1.2 and 1.3, now I want you to do self-practice 1.3. Okay, use your Maths 3 book, okay, and do number 1, 2, and 3. Okay, upload your answer inside Google Classroom.